Shemai a chroeso yn ôl I mhodlediad. Diolch am wrando. Hello, how's things? And welcome back to my podcast. Thanks for listening. Croeso I dŷ'r hwyl. Nawr rydw I wedi dod I oed. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 90. Series 4 and episode number 90. Allwn I ddysgu? Could I learn? Hello everybody. Treigladau. Mutations there. We've got Shemai a chroeso. Croeso has become chroeso. C to CH. Aspirate mutation after the conjunction a, which means and triggers aspirate mutation were 3 letters, P, T and C. Yay! Them letters, yeah, they mutate. C becomes CH, T becomes TH, and P becomes PH as well. And that's it for that. So, an all even mhodlediad, nasal mutation, mhodlediad to mhodlediad. P to an MH after the word v, which means my, first person singular, possessive pronoun. Causes nasal mutation. 6 letters mutate and end up beginning with an N or an M. What have we got? Diolch am wrando. Wrando, verb noun to listen, has soft mutated, the G is dropped. Wrando to rando. After am, which means for or about, and in this case means for, but it's also one of the key prepositions that cause soft mutation. Treiglad meddal. And the prepositions are am, are, at, 3 beginning with A. Dan drostrwy, 3 beginning with D. Tan trostrwy, 3 beginning with T. Gan heb hyd, GHH, E o wrth. Okay, so there's all your mutation, all your soft mutating key prepositions. Croeso I ddŷ. Welcome to the house. T has become D. Just looking for more mutations. Sorry. Cyfres 4 a phenod. Series 4 and episode. Pennod has become phenod. Aspirate mutation. P to a PH, as we said before. 3 letters change after the word a, which means and. The next mutation is Allwn. Gallwn has become Allwn. The G is dropped. Soft mutation because we're using the inflected verb, short form verb, in a negative, but in this, is interrogative. So it soft mutates. Allwn I ddysgu. Dysgu has become ddysgu. The verb noun sits straight after the subject or the pronoun or the person of the sentence. So it's the object of the short form verb in this structure, Allwn I ddysgu. That's why it's soft mutated. It's sitting where the object is. So if you're thinking of Welsh being a VSO language, the verb is first, allwn, which is an inflected short form verb of gallu, which means to be able to or can. And that's short form inflected. And then the next bit is the subject. The VSS is the subject, and that's the person. What's the sentence about? Could I learn? Who's the person in that sentence? I. So that's the subject. Allwn I. So after the subject we get a mutation. D to a double D, soft mutation. Allwn I ddysgu. Could I learn? That's the name of the episode. Okay, the table for that then, which is conditional mood again using gallu, and this is the interrogative. Exactly the same sentence as what we had 2 lessons ago, which was the affirmative, but we've got a question mark, and when we say it, we put an intonation on it so we know it's a question. So I don't say to you, Allwn I ddysgu, question mark. I say, Allwn I ddysgu. So put an inflection on it. Not an inflection. Oh, it's getting confusing now. Put an intonation on it. Change the intonation. So, Allwn I ddysgu. Could I learn? You tend to go up with it, don't you? Allwn ti ddysgu? Could you learn? Allai fe ddysgu? Allai fo ddysgu? Allai hi ddysgu? Could he, she or it learn? Allan ni ddysgu? Could we learn? Allach chi ddysgu? That's could you learn. That's the plural you or the formal or polite you. That's chi. We've already had another one, just the normal one, which is alla ti ddysgu. And the last one is allan nhw ddysgu. Could they learn? And we notice that the allan ni, allan nhw, same word again. And most of these tenses, they share the word in the colloquial, in the spoken forms. But the pronoun's in there, so we know what it's about. It's ni or nhw, isn't it? We or they or us or them. Like a Pink Floyd song, isn't it? Right, what else have we got? Usual stuff. New words, new verb nouns today are ymateb, respond, react, reaction, response, because it can be a verb noun, a verb and a noun, a masculine noun. It's got a plural, a tebion, which means reactions, responses. Ymatebion, sorry. Responses. It's very much like the word ateb, isn't it? Reply. But this is respond. The word is used on a lot of words before things to change the context. We'll come on to that. Trefnu, organise, arrange, order. Cyhoeddi, announce, publish. Dylunio, design. Coginio, cook. There you go, some sentences for them. Allan ni ymateb? Could I respond? Allech chi fod wedi trefnu? Could you have organised? Allai hi fod wedi cyhoeddi? Could she have published? Allan ni fod wedi dylunio? Could we have designed? Allai fe wedi bod yn coginio? Could he have been cooking? There we go. Tenses, games, matchups. Knock yourself out, as they say. More practice, feminine and masculine nouns, and another new game where you understand what you do with number 4. So if you're saying for boys, for girls, using a different word. Pedwar bachgen. Or pedair merch. So that's 4 boys or 4 girls, a different number. So we've been doing them, haven't we? We've done that. What we do after when we say this, and what we after when we say the, and what we after number 1, number 2, number 3. Different words, different mutations for masculine and feminine. And now we've got number 4. What else have we got? Listening exercise. Let's move on. Hoffwn ni fod yn rhugl rhyw ddydd. I would like to be fluent someday. Dwi'n hoffi dysgu a rhannu. I like learning and sharing. Allech chi fy helpu? Could you help me? Gallen ni ddysgu drwy'r dydd a thrwy'r nos. I could learn all day and all night. And I'll have to go now though. See you tomorrow. Time's up.